Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us see a condenser mic which is used for blogging using DSLR or smartphone devices. This is from BOYA. It is called BY-MM1. This is a universal cardio microphone which is suitable for laptops, tablets, smartphones and DSLR cameras. So friends, without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. This is a box of BOYA BY-MM1 mic. It's a universal cardio microphone for mobile, tab, laptop, cameras and handycam. Let us start unboxing it. Let me remove this and open this. And I'll remove it like this. And inside the box, you have a warranty card and instruction manual. So let us see what else is there. This is a hot shoe mount and a mic holder. This cable connects to your smartphone and mic. This cable connects to your cameras to mic. You have a pouch and you have a mic. This is a dead cat. So these are the contents in the box. Let me show you the demo how to connect the mic. So this is a mic. You'll have to just slide in to this mark here. Just keep the holder like this and just slide it. So this is how it connects. So this acts like a shock mount when you connect this to the camera or mobile. Okay, let us continue. So this is a plug. Connect it like this and connect this to the camera. So this is a mic and the dead cat will connect like this. Just find the hole and slide it inside. You'll find a clicking noise. Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us see the BOYA test mic. Friends, hope you have seen the unboxing of BOYA BY-MM1 microphone. We have showed you the features and speciality of this microphone. In the next video, we'll compare the audio with the microphones we have and also the BOYA BY-MM1. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and families. Subscribe to my channel Uday's Review. And also, please do follow us in the social media platforms. See you in the next interesting content. Until then, signing off.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.